Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In this video, we will discuss various inbuilt math functions in PHP. Let's start. So, here I mentioned math functions. Let's discuss one by one. First is ABS. It returns absolute value of given number. Practically, this function converts given number into positive. Second is CE. This function returns nearest largest rounded integer number. Next is floor function. It returns nearest smallest rounded integer number. So next function is round function. This function takes value and precision as an argument. Here precision is an optional. If you not provide precision value, then it takes 0 as a default argument. This function returns rounded value to specify precision. Next is min function. This function returns minimum value from a given number. Next is max function. It returns maximum number from a given number. The next function is POW. It takes two arguments. One is base number and second is exponential number. This function returns exponential value of base number raised to exponential number. And last function is square root function. This function finds square root of a given number. So let's understand from program. First we call ABS function. We give 3 and -3 as an argument. So let's write it and see the output. As you can see, for 3 this function return 3 and for -3 this function return 3. Now we call ceil function. In this function we give 4.6 as an argument. Let's see the output. As you can see, this function returns 5 because 5 is the nearest largest integer number. Now we call floor function. In this function, we also give 4.6 as an argument. Let's see the output. As you can see, this function returns 4 because 4 is nearest smallest integer number. Now we call round function. We give 3.4 and 3.5 as an argument. As you can see, for 3.4 it returns 3 and for 3.5 it returns 4. So this function returns nearest largest integer number if your value's precision is 0.5 or greater than 0.5, and return nearest smallest integer number if your value's precision is less than 0.5. Next function is min. We pass 10, 20, 30, 4 and 8 as an argument. So let's see the output. As you can see here, 4 is printed because 4 is the smallest number from given number. Now next function is max function. We pass 10, 20, 30, 4 and 8 as an argument. So this function return 30 because 30 is largest number from given number. Now next function is POW. We pass 4 as a base argument and 2 as an exponential argument. So here this function performs 4 raised to 2. So let's see the output. So here 16 is printed. Last function is square root function. This function finds square root of a given number. We pass 16 as an argument. So square root of 16 is 4. Let's see the output. As you can see, 4 is printed. If you have any doubt, then don't forget to comment. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. The link of PPT is available in description. Thank you.